what I'm going through right now, you'd be like, girl, had a whole stove. Just had a whole stove at this point. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the start of another vlog. So today is Wednesday. No, today is Tuesday. I'm about to go ahead, y'all. I'm about to attempt to do a TikTok. I just made a TikTok last night. So, well, I count. So I'm about to attempt to try to do a video. Yeah, wish me well, because I don't know a damn thing I'm about to do. I'm about to do some makeup. It's not gonna be one of them dance TikToks. I don't do that. I don't dance. Okay, I make money moves, period. But it's not gonna be a dancing TikTok. It's gonna be more makeup and, you know, cute shit like that. So I'm about to see how I'm about to do this, because girl, I'm nervous. And then like my hair, I don't know, it'll do for today. I'm working all weekend this weekend anyways, so this vlog probably won't even come out till Monday. But yeah, my eyes look so brown. But y'all, yeah, so it's like 11, almost 11:30, and I was trying to start by like 11. So let me see what I can muster up, try to do. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here so y'all can see it, if I even, you know, if it comes out right. So yeah, y'all. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I may put it in here, I may not, but just follow me on TikTok and also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already following me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, period.
Got no room for extra baggage. Don't forget to come and pick up your feeling.
Alright, y'all, so I just got off of live. It was cute. So this is the look that I did on live. Y'all, my bed is so messy, so I'm trying not to cover it. But this is the look I did on live. I think she's real cute. I mean, it's the same look I do every time I put on makeup on my face anyway, so. But it's already 1 o'clock, so I'm not even gonna have time to make me any lunch. So I think it's gonna be Chick-fil-A it is today. Yeah, it's gonna be Chick-fil-A it is again today. So but yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and go in the car and get ready to go to work. I had a good little live. I finished my TikTok, so yeah, y'all go find that on my Instagram or follow me on TikTok, whatever you want to do, child. I don't really care. But yeah, let me clean up a little bit, and then I need to go before I be late. And I don't want to hear it. So I'm gonna see y'all when I pick up the camera next. It may be after work. I don't know how I feel, because I need to go to the wine, to Total Wine. They find this wine is called Earl Stevens. Earl Stevens. I saw it on not Instagram, on Twitter, and it's black owned, and it's 18% proof. No, 18%, 36% proof. Moscato and red wine, and people say it was good. So, and I had looked up on Total Wines, and they have it there, the one that I'm gonna pass. So I'm gonna try to remember to stop by there so I can see if they have it. And if they do, I'm definitely gonna give me a bottle, because girl, if you knew what I'm going through right now, you'd be like, girl, had a whole stove. Just had a whole stove at this point. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. So today is Wednesday, and I look crazy, but whatever. So I'm on the way to, obviously I'm not in my car, because, you know, when you become single, you just start having car problems. I just don't understand. So I'm gonna take care of that today though. But I'm not in my car. I'm about to go to the mall, because y'all know I've been trying to return these damn leather leggings that I got a size too small. Wow, you really did just run that leg. Okay. Yeah, I got them a size too small, so I'm gonna try to go in there today. It's 11:35, so hopefully like, you know, this line in Zara is not OD, and they actually have the pants. But if they don't have the pants, and I saw this coat that I really liked when I was in there the first time, that I'll just exchange it for. And then once I'm in there, I'll probably go to Sephora, because I do need to go to Sephora. And then I have a client at 1:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go live with that one, because I had liked the other live that I did with my last client, Rachel. So I think we're gonna do live again. This is for some like fun content, some new content or whatever. And then I'm gonna just go home and take care of my car issues, because I need to get some tires, and I need to get an oil change. I'm off tomorrow, so I can like kind of split it up. But yeah, and then I'm gonna do some schoolwork tonight. So that's literally it. Then I work all weekend, so I need to literally do everything within today or tomorrow, because I have no time this weekend at all. So yeah, that's my life right now. I don't know if I'll take you guys into the mall with me, because I'm really like pushing for time. So I should get to the mall around like 11:50. So that'll give me like a good 30 minutes. I'm only giving myself 30 minutes to, you know, find what I need to find, get what I need to get, and then I'm dipping. Like, I'm leaving. I cannot be in there all day today. So yeah, I got on this crusty hat. This is my workout hat. So yeah, let me figure out like these directions, because I really don't know where I'm going. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I pick up the camera. I'll probably see y'all when I get to the studio. Setting up my client today, she's like a regular, so I know I'll be able to film with her, no issues. So yeah, I'll see y'all once we get to the studio. Y'all got my mama with me. Helping me adult. So I'm getting my try. Well, actually, this is like later on in the day. I'm done with my clients, and I made my mama come with me to help me adult, because all this mechanical shit is just not for me. Like, so this is my support system right here, because I don't be doing this type of stuff. I need somebody to do it for me. But I'm a big girl, so I guess I gotta handle it now. So yeah, it's like 6:04. I'm ready to get this done so I can go home and lay in my bed. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's a little update of how my Wednesday is going. But you know, today's good. Today's still a good day. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna get my oil change, and then that's gonna be that with these car troubles, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is going to be a voiceover. I'm just letting y'all know, because my niece is back here watching Coco Melon, and I know y'all not trying to hear that, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so before I end out this vlog, I wanted y'all to see the pants that I finally went and got from Zara. So, okay, these are not the pants I thought I was going to get, but these are literally the first pair of pants I went in there and saw that caught my eye, snatched them, got in line, and then left. So, I really like them. They have this little split right here. They're high-waisted. Well, I wear anything high-waisted. All my jeans, they have to be high-waisted or like mid, you know. So I have a size 40 in these, so that's a 8. I love them. I cannot wait to wear them. This is the back of them. Yes, yeah, love these. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and make me a little what's some things called reels. I finally got music on my Instagram, so now I can actually play with the app a little bit, see what I've been missing. And yeah, that's gonna be my night. I'm about to cook actually first because I haven't ate all day, so I'm about to cook and then I'm about to start on this reel. I'll probably post it tomorrow because it's getting kind of late, and I don't know, I'll probably just post it tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you comment, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in next week's vlog.